I believe that's a baby owl because I can hear more calling each other. Oh, blue jay just took the owl. Poor owl's being picked on by blue jays. Poor owl. Oh well. Sorry to bother you, owl. I'm not gonna bother like the blue jays do. Have a good day, owl. Can't really see it through the trees, but it's okay. Hello, owl. Have a good day. It's talking. It's talking in owl talk. I think it's a baby. It's like chirping. That is so cool. I've never seen the owls chirp. I think it's upset. But I'm hearing others around me. Like I said, I think it's a baby. Just got out of the nest. Oh well. Baby owl. Hopefully the blue jays don't bother it too much. Like this, hate this. Who's next? Get it? Hoot, owl. Terrible joke.